Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to share a post link on Instagram using the app on your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, Instagram has made it easier than ever to share your favorite posts directly from your desktop. Whether you want to send a post to a friend, share it on another platform, or simply save it for later, I'll walk you through the simple steps to get it done. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Yes, you heard that right. Instagram's desktop app now brings many of the mobile features right to your computer screen, making sharing and browsing more convenient than ever. Once you're in the app, scroll through your feed or use the search bar to find the post you want to share. It could be a stunning photo, a funny reel, or an inspiring story, whatever catches your eye. When you've found the post, look for the 3 dots at the top right corner of the post. This is your gateway to more options. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. A menu will pop up with several choices. From here, select the option that says Share To. This is the key step that unlocks all your sharing possibilities. Now, you'll see a list of places where you can share the post. You can copy the link to send it anywhere you like, or you can share it directly to your Instagram story, send it as a direct message, or even share it to other apps installed on your PC. Just choose where you want to share the post, follow the prompts, and you're all set. It's that easy. With this new update, Instagram has made sharing content from your PC seamless and fast. So next time you spot something you love, don't hesitate to share it with your friends, followers, or anyone you think would enjoy it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks for making the most of your Instagram experience. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.